Hi guys, so what you see right now is actually my setup for February, but I didn't do it at all like that because as I was spending 2 hours coloring this page, I realized that it was ugly for me and then I decided to change it. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Laura and right now we're basically doing the other cover page and setup because as I said, I wasn't satisfied with my first one and I really wanted to fix it. But look at this from the brighter side, and that is that you basically now have 2 February inspiration from me. If you like this one that I decided to redo, then take a screenshot or something, and if you want to see what I did next, then just keep on watching. So naturally, I still kept my theme, and that is butterfly magic, but instead of actually drawing, I decided I would use materials that I already have, such as stickers. I somehow feel that I make better bullet journal spreads when I am actually kind of scrapbooking and combining other materials like washi tapes and stickers instead of just drawing. I don't know how that's possible, but honestly, whenever I draw digitally, I can really do it and I'm confident and it looks somehow okay. And when I'm doing it here on the paper, I cannot do it at all. Anyways, let's talk about this cover page. So as you can see, I combined different materials and I also added a gorgeous washi tape that is from the washi tape shop, and you can use my code if you want a discount and if you want the same washi. And then I just added the letter stamps so that I wrote February, and that was basically it for this side. This theme is actually quite spring inspired and it is also romantic and dreamy because of course February is the month of love, and what better to represent love than the butterflies. I was exactly going for this effect. When it comes to the next page, I decided to turn it into a quote page, and I decided to quote a song from Miley Cyrus, Flowers, as you may know, and it goes, I can buy myself flowers. I think it goes really well with the overall theme, but also with some of my decisions and stuff for this month. So even though I am in a very happy relationship and I don't exactly relate to the exact meaning that Miley was talking about, but I definitely relate this lyric to my own self and to my relationship with myself. For me, the words that I can buy myself flowers actually mean that I should enjoy my own company, that I should be exploring stuff on my own, and that is going to make me happy. Because honestly, if you're not going to like yourself and love yourself first, then who is it? Because you have to be your own supporter first, and then everything else just come easily. Love of others, appreciation, the way you live your life, everything just comes easily if you do the first step first, and that is loving yourself. At first, I didn't want to listen to that song, but when I realized the meaning behind it and how perfectly it goes with my state of life right now, I really thought I should use it in my bullet journal. Here we have my monthly calendar, and for this month I decided to make it on the 2 pages, and I added some decoration above it, like for example the washi tapes and stickers. And I also thought that this page would feature my playlist page so that I can easily just write what I'm listening to that month and don't have to make a special page for it. I really like the corners of this page, you will see, because every single corner basically has some type of butterfly feature and different shades of butterflies. For example, I really like the purple one that you will see on the right side. And for the other decorative pieces, I also used the washi tape shop stickers, and each basically sticker is contained in a washi tape, so that a washi tape is not exactly a washi tape, but it is made of stickers. I might have gone too far with this spring vibe yet, but nevertheless I am welcoming spring so much So this spread is something that makes me happy. And even though it's not even February yet, I am already so excited for my March setup because I have the most perfect theme, and I also bought a couple of supplies that go with the theme, and I'm going to go really crazy for my March setup. So please subscribe if you want to see that and look forward to it as much as I do. And then I also just stamped out the title, which goes monthly plan, and I added titles for the playlist and important dates. And I also added my favorite stamps. You probably recall these from previous videos. I really like these, and every time there is some type of floral theme, I have to use them. As I'm doing that, I'm going to give you a little life update. So right now it is a little break from the first to second semester, and I have a lot of time for myself, for my hobbies that I plan on turning into real life business. And that's why I'm going to create a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of content, hopefully update my shop as I was talking before. So this month is very important, busy, but also exciting for me. I am so grateful to have you around in this journey of mine, and I can really see the progress and that I'm building a community here, and that is something very special. So thank you so much for sticking with my videos and with my polls and pictures. You're truly my motivation to keep going. What we have next in my first weekly is that I'm actually not pre-planning this one due to a lack of time that was taken with the first tryout of this theme, but I also wanted to challenge myself and to see what I can do just here on the camera without pre-planning. Of course, I went for some butterfly stickers, and I also added the other stickers that were kind of looking pretty with the butterflies. And I just freely wrote the days of the week, so I didn't want to have any containers. I just wanted to write my text freely. This is actually a technique that I was doing before I was making my spreads here on YouTube, and I didn't have any containers or that much of a plan. I just wrote however I wanted, and then some days were kind of longer with the text and some of them are shorter. But right now, because I really didn't have much time to really pre-plan it, I wanted to make it this way. I am even showing you how I am using my ruler to actually plan out the way that the middle is going to go. And this little container, this is the only container, and it is going to be for my to-do list for this week. My biggest conclusion that I want you to take from this video is that sometimes the spreads that you make are not going to be perfect in your own eyes, and sometimes that is exactly what matters, how you see it. So it is okay to take a break or to restart, I don't know, to rip off every single page that you don't like. And what matters is that you keep on trying, no matter if you fail once or twice. I wouldn't be having this beautiful setup now if I didn't cover the pages that I didn't like. So that is basically my conclusion for you, that you just keep trying until you find something you really like. And with my final flip through, I am ending this video. I really hope you like this setup, and we will see each other very soon. Bye guys!